Hello, how are you, dear students? This is Emmanuel Anthony, and you are watching my YouTube channel, English as a Second Language in Pakistan. This 26th video lecture is about chapter number 6 of the novel Goodbye, Mr. Chips. Goodbye, Mr. Chips, the novel is part of Intermediate Part 2 English syllabus. This video lecture is about the first 7 lines of chapter 6, and all this stuff is on page number 13. As we read the text, I'll be explaining you the synonyms in context, and I'll also be discussing the ideas shared in these lines. Are you ready? Let us start together. There had followed then a time of such happiness that Chips, remembering it long afterwards, hardly believed it could ever have happened before or since in the world. The first chunk of this sentence, there had followed, means the time after the marriage of Mr. Chips and Catherine Bridges. There had followed, after the marriage of the two, then a time of such happiness. After their marriage, a very happy time of their lives started. That Chips, remembering it long afterwards, as we know, that Chips is remembering this time while sitting in Mrs. Wickett's house in an old age. Sitting there in an old age, he keeps on remembering his previous life, his married life. Hardly believed it could ever have happened. His marriage time, his married life was so good, it was so joyful, the marriage proved to be so perfect that Mr. Chips could hardly believe that there had been a great time in his life, before or since in the world. He thought that there could never have been a time so good before his marriage or after his marriage. Actually, he thought that his marriage was the best thing in this world. There was never a better thing before his marriage in this world, and there could not be a better thing after his marriage in this world. For his marriage was a triumphant success. Triumphant, here it means joyful. So their marriage proved to be a great success. Catherine conquered Brookfield as she had conquered Mr. Chips. Conquered, she won the hearts of the people at Brookfield. Boys loved her because of her personality and habits. Teachers and their wives also appreciated Catherine Bridges. And of course, Chips was already impressed with her personality. Catherine conquered Brookfield as she had conquered Chips, so she won the hearts of the people at Brookfield. She was immensely popular with boys. So when she came to live with Mr. Chips at Brookfield School, she soon became very popular among the boys and masters alike. It means that she was equally popular, she was equally respected, she was equally liked by all the people at Brookfield. And who do we have at Brookfield? What are the types of people? Most of the people are either teachers or they are either students. So both students and teachers loved Catherine Bridges' personality, even the wives of the masters. And now, after the teachers and students, another type of population at Brookfield, that is the families of the teachers at Brookfield. They also loved Catherine's personality. Even the wives of the masters, tempted at first to be jealous of someone so young and lovely. When the wives of the teachers at Brookfield saw that Catherine is very lovely, she is very intelligent, she is well qualified, and she is so young and beautiful, first they felt jealous of her, but could not long resist her charms. Charms here means positive actions, positive habits, positive personality which she had, and resist her charms. They could not control themselves of liking her. So they soon fell in love with Catherine's personality. So this was our lecture today. I hope that you enjoyed this lecture a lot. Thank you very much. See you next time. Thank you.